Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimal to a fraction. Following on from the last lesson, this video will explain how to convert a decimal to a fraction. The following guidelines are very useful. If there is one digit after the decimal point, move the decimal point one place to the right and place the number over 10. If there are two digits after the decimal point, move the decimal point two places to the right and place the number over 100. If there are three digits after the decimal point, move the decimal point three places to the right and place the number over 1000, etc. Let's see how these guidelines work. Examples. Convert each of the following decimals to fractions. The first one is 0.3. There is one digit after the decimal point, so you move the decimal point one place to the right, that becomes 3, and you place that number over 10, so the answer is 3 over 10. Move the decimal point one place to the right, place the number over 10, that's 8 over 10. We can simplify that by dividing top and bottom by 2, that gives us 4 over 5. We have two digits after the decimal point. Move the decimal point two places to the right to give you 19 and place that over 100. Again, there are two digits after the decimal point. Move the decimal point two places to the right, place the number over 100, divide top and bottom by 2, that gives you 13 over 50. We have three digits after the decimal point. Move the decimal point three places to the right, place the number over 1000. Again, there are three digits after the decimal point. Move the decimal point three places to the right and place the number over 1000. This fraction can be simplified, so we divide top and bottom by 2 to give you 97 over 500. With this example, again, move the decimal point two places to the right and place the number over 100. We divide top and bottom by 4 because 4 divides evenly into those two numbers. So 64 over 100 simplifies to 16 over 25. With this one, move the decimal point three places to the right, place the number over 1000. 8 divides evenly into this number and this number. So you divide top and bottom by 8. So that gives you 27 over 125. So this video has looked at some guidelines to help us convert a decimal to a fraction. And the guidelines are very straightforward, depending on how many digits there are after the decimal point. And when you get the answer as a fraction, if the fraction can be simplified, then we write it in simplest form.